Warning. What you are about to see is done by professionally trained dumbasses. Do not attempt it.
Technical difficulties, hold on. Alright, welcome back to Dirt Bikes 101. Today we're going to be teaching you how to master a dirt bike. Okay, so we got this 2004 Yamaha TTR 125. We did some slight modifications to it. As you can tell, we got these Acerbis hand guards on the front here. We got these Scott blue and white hand grips. We got the FMF pipe on here, the FMF Power Core 4. That's probably the best modification we've ever done to it. This pipe is a little bit rattly when you start it up, but that's okay. Because I don't know. There's like no thing to put it in there. So I'm gonna start it up, and you guys are gonna be able to see what it sounds like. Sounds a lot more angry, and this has drum brakes. Basic safety consists of a helmet and boots. That's all I have been running ever, just a helmet and boots, and if you can, get a chest protector, because they'll really help you if you hit your chest off of that thing, that bar. So now we're going to talk about how you ride it. So starting it, if it has the electric start that works, you just hold in the button, but mine doesn't work. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that the key is on. See the key off, and now it's on. So you can start the bike. Make sure it's in neutral. Put it all the way down and go a half click up. And then swivel out the Kickstarter. And you just kick it and give it a little shot of gas. And just like that, you got the bike running. So to get moving, you pull in the clutch all the way, you click it down once on the shifter. You'll feel it go into gear. And what you want to do is you want to give it a little bit of gas and just slowly let out the clutch, and you'll feel it start to grab, and then you take off. Shifting is just as easy as putting it in gear. Shifting is when you're moving, say I'm moving right now, I pull in the clutch and then I shift up like that. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to go down and I'm going to shift in the second gear. Pull it in, hook it up, and then let it go. You can shift around as many or as little times as you need to, according to the power band that the terrain is calling for. So that is the basics. We're probably gonna do a little montage up on the trails. So I hope you enjoyed this segment on how to ride it, because it took like 15 minutes. My name is Darrel. I'll see you next time on Dirt Bikes 101.